Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Ritzy Ripple blanket. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, the double crochet increase, the double crochet decrease, and be familiar with the basic ripple stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make multiples of 14 plus 2. I have already made 156 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. This is going to be our first side. Now we're going to get into our first decrease. You're going to double crochet decrease over the next 3 chains. Then you will double crochet decrease over the next 3 chains again. So this is our side right here, and these are our 2 decreases or our valley for our ripple stitch blanket. Now we need to make our next side. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Now we're going to make our first peak or increase. Into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Then into the next chain, make 3 double crochet. Then we will make our next side. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So this is how everything is looking so far. You would start repeating your sequence from this valley or decrease. So the sequence is going to be basically 2 decreases, a side of 3 double crochet, then 2 increases, and a side of 3 double crochet. So there's going to be the side of 3 double crochet between any peak or valley. So you would start repeating from this double crochet decrease over 3 chains, double crochet decrease over 3 chains, make 3 double crochet for your side, 3 double crochet in the next chain all together for 1 peak, 3 double crochet in the next chain all together for the next peak, then 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains for your side. You'll start repeating from this valley or decrease until you have 1 chain left in this row. Once you get to the end of your row and you only have 1 chain left, work 3 double crochet into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 2 double crochet. So row 2 is going to be the same as row 1. We're just working into stitches instead of chains. Our sequence is going to stay the same. So into each of the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. And that's going to be our first side. Now we're going to double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches for our first valley or decrease. Now we're going to double crochet decrease over the next 3 stitches. And that's how our valley or decrease is looking. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches for our next side. Now we're going to start our peak or our increase. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Then we need a second one. Into this next stitch, make 3 double crochet. That is our peak or increase. This is how everything is looking so far. Then into the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet for our next side. So this is how things are looking. We have our side over here, our valley or decrease, side, peak or increase, side. So you would start repeating from this valley or decrease. It's the same sequence as our last row, just worked into stitches. It's going to be the same at the end too. You're going to repeat this sequence until you have 1 stitch left in this row. So when you reach the end of your row, you're actually not going to have any stitches left, but we're going to be using this loop or chain at the end of this row and make that into the last stitch. So into this last loop or chain, you're going to make 3 double crochet. To complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out. I ended up making 106 rows total for a throw size. And that is going to be how to make my Ritzy Ripple blanket. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.